Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Federalism Minicourse. I'm Mr. Hackney. I'll be your guide in this tutorial here and also working with you throughout the course. So when you log in to the Canvas system here, this should be the screen that you're looking at. You likely have found this video under this course introduction page. So on this page itself, this has an introduction into the course, some of our course learning outcomes that we're hoping to accomplish, and then in the course itself, I have some helpful tips here. So just trying to make sure we're staying on schedule, to make sure we're not falling behind on things, engaging in the activities, right? There's some interactive components, there's some videos, there's assignments to practice what you're learning. So I encourage you to please make sure you're actively engaging in those. If you have questions or anything, feel free to reach out to me. So you can email me, you can contact me through the features within this course. There is the messaging features within the course itself, and just making sure you're trying to apply what you're learning. So a lot of this course, I tried to make things very hands-on and relevant to everyday life. So trying to make those connections between the content and your everyday lives will be very helpful. So just trying to make those connections, I highly encourage you. There is a syllabus for this class. I highly encourage you to please check that out if you have not already, but you can click on that link right there and it'll take you to the syllabus for you to be able to view. Um, Throughout the course as well, there will be these options to hit next to go to the next section. So I encourage you, please make sure you're hitting those as well. And so this takes you right into module one, and from there you would go into the module itself and start working through your way through the different activities. However, if you do start here at the home screen, there are these menus off to the side here. So if you need the syllabus, there's an option right there, a way to access the different modules. There's assignments, discussions, there's the grades if you need to check and see how you're doing, people within the course if you want to see who's all enrolled, the pages to access the different content, and then quizzes or files right there as well. Since this course is kind of more on your own, you work your way through designated modules that have been created. So module one here, it becomes available after you've kind of completed that first part of the introduction, and then you work your way through the different activities of module one. So there is the video that you'll watch right here on federalism, and then there is an interactive knowledge check that you will complete after completing the video. So you can check to see how you did on with the video there itself. And then once you've completed module one, then module two will become available, and then you work your way through module two, and then from there you would work your way to module three, and then eventually we get to the end of the course. So if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm hoping this video helped to provide a brief overview. So if you do have questions, feel free to reach out. Good luck. You you got this.